After watching 16 and Pregnant, I'm being traumatized by the audacity of those young sisters and the immaturity of those young brothers. They were just lost. And so I needed to act. So I decided to implement Turkey Baby Project. It's genius. No, Jenny, you cannot use a plastic baggie in the place of a condom. I've determined that in order to be successful with this project, that I must maintain an internal turkey temperature of at least 23 degrees Fahrenheit.
This is stupid. How is carrying a turkey around gonna keep me from having a baby?
I am like so excited about this project because my baby is gonna be the flyest baby in the class. I've also been experimenting with different embalming cocktails to ensure that the turkey looks as fresh as it did on the day that it was slaughtered. I'm gonna win.
I lost it on the first day anyway.
Isn't this adorable? I mean, animal print is totally in, and my baby is gonna be so fly. I mean, when you get to do this, I get to dress my baby up the way I would want to be dressed if I was a baby. I mean, if I was a baby, I'd want to be fly, okay? So my baby's gonna be fly.
This teacher real dumb. She think I'm finna carry this thing on a bus with me?
It's time to check the temperature of the baby. Why don't you come?
Guess what?
I'm pregnant.
I love you, Tyrone.
Baby's first red bottoms.
Now make sure you don't treat it like a frozen piece of beef.
Who bakes a baby? I'm gonna go to community college. I'm totally gonna get an A. A for fashionista. No, that's an F. So I realized that turkey baby isn't such a good idea.